heat transfer vinyl products. You all know that Chinastars is the world's leading manufacturer of reflective materials. We're the largest manufacturer of reflective materials in Asia. Now, today we're going to introduce more about our heat transfer product line. You can see that here are our different kind of reflective heat transfer materials. This is the rainbow series, and these are different color of reflective heat transfer logos, and these are all the certifications, not all, but some. OPTAG, EN 2471, ISO